Paul, I've done my apprenticeship on a Colchester lathe. Now this is the next generation of Colchesters, the next generation of the Colchester Typhoon.
It is. What we've got here actually is one of the smallest machines in the range. This is a 52mm bar capacity 2-axis machine. Now we've got variants on this where we can even do a compact version. If you look at this machine as a small footprint, we can offer one that doesn't have a tailstock on there, so anybody that's tight on space, just looking for a 2-axis chucker, this is a perfect machine for them. 15 kilowatt spindle power on there as well, so it can meet the demands of the modern machining.
So, you know, it's not an aluminium, just for aluminium, it can do lots of different materials with that kind of power.
It is. It's ideal for any turning that you need, all the capacity for the customer.
And also this really emphasises the range that you now offer your customers.
It is, because like I said, you've got over 40 machines in the range, so whether the customer is looking for that 2-axis, 3-axis, 4-axis, or one-hit machining with stud spindle and Y-axis, Colchester can now offer that in the complete range.
And programming language?
Programming language on here, we offer Fanaco ITF controller standard with an option of the Siemens system to basically give the customer a solution to all these requirements.
And obviously the service and support from yourselves?
Service and support is second to none. We've got a team of engineers based up and down the country, so we can provide support, not just on the service side, but also applications as well. So if the customer needs any assistance, we've got the support network to be able to offer that.
Thank you, Paul.
Thank you.